A very good morning, class. Good morning to all. As I told you in the last class, that today we will be starting a new chapter, and that is chapter number 11, the climate of India. Chapter 11, the climate of India. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to read about the different seasons, the most important seasons of India. Before I come to the topic, I would like to discuss something about the Microsoft team, the application that we are going to use, a new platform that we are going to use for having our live classes. It's delayed a bit due to some technical reasons. The company with which we have the tie-up has yet not supplied the data which is required for you all. So there will be a delay of maybe 7 days or 10 days. So you are asked to keep patience and wait for the right time. As the things proceed, we'll give you a message, we'll be sending you a message on your group. Till such time, the classes will continue via Zoom applications only. Okay. So, and second most important thing, those who have yet not received the ID and password, you can wait for some more times. Maybe this week you can wait. If you don't get, you can revert me back, you can give me a call, or you can send me a message. But do keep in mind, whenever you send the message, do give me the complete information. Complete information, when I say, I mean your name, class, roll number, section. These four details should be there when you send a message. Okay. In spite of calling, it would be better if you send the message only. Okay. As and when I get the message, I'll reply accordingly. And but wait for this week. After this week only, you send me the message. You will wait for Saturday, Sunday. Okay. And from Sunday onwards, if you don't get the message does not come to you, you can ask me. You can send me a message. Okay. But do keep the mobile number which you have given, the registered number that you gave for this Microsoft team. That number should be with you. That number should be properly recharged. Then only the message will come to you. If it is not recharged, the message will not come to you. Okay. So keep everything ready. Then only the things will work on. So don't send the message now. Wait for this week. And before we start up with the Microsoft team, we'll give you complete information about how and why and when. Okay. So everything will be directed in the group, that is WhatsApp group that we have made for you all. Okay, class. Now come to the topic. One more information that I hope you remember, that we have a test of chapter number 6, that is the our government chapter. Okay, that we have on 10th of July. 10th of July there is a test of chapter number 6. So kindly prepare for that. Chapter number 6, yes. So today we are here to discuss about the climate of India. The climate of India. See, climate, weather or season. Climate, weather or season of any place determines the physical activities of an individual. The climate, weather or season determines the physical activities of an individual. Means each season an individual responds according to the season. Like it is very hot over here, you may be feeling very tired, you may be feeling very glumsy, or the physical activity would not be very smooth. Okay, same way when it's very cold, it's very difficult to perform any physical activities. So your mood, your activity is indirectly related to the monsoon or the temperature, the weather that is around you. Three main seasons in India which we follow is summer, second is winter, and third is monsoon. These are three main seasons. Apart from these, we even have a spring season. Okay, spring season. So in this chapter, we are basically going to learn about the three different seasons, their time frame, when this season starts, and what are the things that you get in this season, which is the best fruit in this season, how do we celebrate each season, that we are going to learn. So today I will give you just introduction about the summer season. As India is a big country, it has a wide range of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. There are n number of things in our country that we enjoy. These affect the climate in various parts of our country. Okay. It affects the surrounding around us. That is what I told you. The temperament of a body, the temperament of an individual depends upon the climate around it. Okay. The place that we live in or the weather that we get. The lifestyle depends on the climate of the place one lives in. Okay, your lifestyle, how do you enjoy or how do you pass your life, that totally depends upon the climate or the weather or the circumstances of the things around you. There are some places where the climate is extremely hot, while at others it is very cold. That is the vividness of a place, of a country. India is a blend, or India is a unique country, because in some parts of in some regions of the country, it is extremely hot, wherein the other region it's extremely cold. Okay, that phenomena we need to understand, and that you will understand in brief when you understand the geographical concept of a place. There are some places that get heavy rainfall, and there are others that do not get any rainfall for years. That is, they are drought prone area. Drought prone area. Drought means, the word is drought. Drought prone area means an area which does not receive sufficient rainfall, or in which there is no rainfall for some times or for some years. Some places get floods due to heavy rainfall, while others are hit by droughts and famines. Famine is when a person has to go, or when a society has to go on starvation for a longer period of time. It means there is lack of food production in a particular area due to little rainfall. As these factors are decided by the climate of a place. Why it is that the product or the produce of a place or the crop of a place does not turn good? The reason is that the climate is not very supportive. So climate plays a crucial role. Climate plays a crucial role in the overall development of an individual, a society and a country overall. Okay, so climate plays a very crucial role. So in this context only we are going to understand the three different seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. This we will see in detail from the next class onwards. This was an introduction chapter, and kindly follow the information which I gave you about the Microsoft team in the beginning. Okay, that you will have to wait for a week. Microsoft team may be start from next week or 10 days. The company is taking some time due to technical issue. Okay, as we get the information, we will let you know. And those who are not getting the ID and password, you can wait for this week. After this week, even if you don't get, you can send me a message on WhatsApp along with your details. Okay, then I will revert you back. Thank you, class.